Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about a job notification from Indian Oil Corporation Limited or IOCL, which is a Maharatna company. The pay scale for various posts will be 25,000 to 1,05,000. There are different posts in different refinery. You should follow the notification thoroughly. I will give the link of the notification in the description box. For the post wise qualification and experience requirement is given in this section. You should follow the notification thoroughly. There are different posts in which BSc with physics, chemistry and mathematics or industrial chemistry are eligible. You should follow the notification to know the post. There are three posts mainly. One is junior engineering assistant 4, next junior engineering assistant 4 P and U, and lastly the BSc with physics, chemistry and mathematics are eligible for junior quality control analyst 4. There are some important instructions. A candidate is allowed to apply for only one post. In case of receipt of more than one application for more than one post, all the application will be rejected. There is some opportunity for the women in IOCL. You should follow for the notification. There is some reservation. The age limit for general candidates is 26 years as on 30th September. There is some relaxation for SC, ST and OBC and PWBD. You should follow the notification. There is some pay and parks. You should follow for the pay and parks information. The selection method for the selection methodology. The selection methodology will comprise written test and a skill or proficiency or physical test. The skill or proficiency or physical test will be of qualifying nature. A candidate will have to secure a minimum 40% marks in the written test and qualify for the further consideration. You must follow the notification thoroughly. There are some general instruction. General EWS and OBC NCL candidates are required to pay rupees 150 as application fee through SBI e-collect only. The bank charges as applicable have to be borne by the candidate. Okay. And after successful submission of the online application form, the candidates are required to send the following documents to the concerned authority at the refinery applied for, as mentioned in the table at clause number N7 below, by ordinary post, so as to reach by 23rd October 2021. You should send the following copies: the printout of online application form duly signed, a color photograph under self-attestation, and self-attested copies of the following documents: matriculation, higher secondary certificate and results, and conversion certificates from CGPA to percentage for SC, ST or disability certificate or OBC certificate or EWS certificate, experience certificate. You can follow the notification thoroughly for this. While sending the printout of the online application along with specified documents by ordinary post, candidates shall ensure the same are sent to the concerned authority at the refinery applied for. Postal address of the units are furnished below. There is the address for different refineries. Okay. The printout of the online application of a candidate along with the documents mentioned at clause number in 5 above is not received by the refinery applied for by 23rd October by ordinary post or on 24th October at written test venue by hand, his or her candidature shall be summarily rejected without any further communication. Candidates should superscribe the name of the post, postcode and name of the refinery applied for on the top of the envelope while sending the documents by ordinary post or submitting the documents at the written test venue. The date of opening of online application is 21st September and the last date of submission of the online application is 12 October, and last date for PWBD candidates to submit prescribed performance for scribe through mail is 18th October, and the date of receipt of printout of online application form along with supporting documents by ordinary post is by 23rd October, 2021 and at written test venue by hand 24th October 2021. The tentative date of written test will be 24th October 2021. Likely date of publication of written test result or shortlist for SPPT by 11th November 2021. Who are willing to apply for this post, you should go through the notification thoroughly. I'll give the link in the description box of the video. You can subscribe my channel for further job updates. Thank you.